And live from Las Vegas, this is Chef Pete.
Hey everybody, I'm back, and you know what? Today it's pork chop day. So I've got the old Breville press grill out here, and I'm going to grill some beautiful pork chops. And what I've done is I've cut these thin and pounded them just a bit because that way they go really quickly and it doesn't take very long. But the first thing we need to do is we need to get on this side of our grill, we need to get some vegetables going. So let's get some onion going and just cut up our onion. And you know, grilling is really nice. You could do this all different times of the year. And there we go. We got our griller is working real good. We'll get our onion on here. And today I've got a real treat. I've got a red onion we're going to add to the mix.
Oh, that looks nice. Well, welcome anyone who's joining.
Today we're making grilled pork chops with grilled veggies. Okay, so let's get our onions on here.
Ooh, that does look different. Ooh, it smells different too. Is it a sweeter onion?
Red onion. We're using red onion today. For those of you that ever had a Greek salad or you like red onions, they like to put red onions and everything. And now I'm going to give this a little olive oil so we can help it along. A little olive oil for our veggies. And we are going to continue on cutting some things. I think we'll cut some peppers in. And we'll just cut our peppers up. You know, grilling is a nice way to make your veggies. You don't use a lot of oil. You can steam them. I sometimes steam them too. Okay, let's just get our peppers on here. There we go.
A few people are joining, so welcome. Welcome to Chef Pete Grilling.
We're grilling today. We're grilling veggies, and I'm going to do, I'll show you again, some beautiful pork chops here that I pounded thin, which we're going to do on the other side of the grill. And we'll do those as soon as I get all our veggies going here. Alrighty, and I've got some baby bella mushrooms. I think we'll throw those on there. Grilling veggies is always a good thing to have, grilled veggies. They get a nice taste. And you know, I've got red onion here, I've got white onion, I've got peppers. I'm going to put some squash, and then I'm going to put some cabbage, I think, too, today. Let's get some salt and pepper on here, a little salt.
Oh yeah, we like salt.
A little bit of garlic. There's some garlic powder. Some oregano. Okay, a little oregano on here. We'll make some Mediterranean-style veggies. Okay. And then I've got some squash here.
Hi, Mark.
Welcome to the channel.
Hi, Andrew. How are you today?
All right, let's get some squash on here.
Somebody said, why don't you order food? And that's an interesting question because we do order food from Amazon. That's where Chef Pete orders all his food.
All the raw food comes from Amazon, pretty much. Okay. And then last thing we will put some cabbage on here. Let's just kind of cut up this little bit here and here and here. We'll cut through. And that fell down. And let's see here. Yeah, we could take this bit here. And this is the core. So the core I just chuck out. All right, everybody? Okay. So in a few minutes, we're going to let this cook down a little bit. Then I'm going to put the cabbage last. So let's just keep this right here, the cabbage. And let's get a little more salt on here. And a little more garlic powder. Okay, a little oregano. There we go. Okay, now on this side of the grill, we're going to go with our pork chops. Okay, so I've got beautiful center cut pork chops I pounded thin. I'm going to give them a little salt, a little garlic, a little oregano, and these won't take very long at all. So we're just going to, right on they go. right on they go.
Somebody's asking, what recipe are you making?
This is Chef Pete's, one of Chef Pete's recipes that I make all the time. It's grilling meat and vegetables on an inside grill or an outside grill, whatever you like. You can use whatever you like to use in your grill, okay? All right,
So we got vegetables.
So we got our vegetables going, and I have, for those of you that have never, I'm going to get a little more salt on this side of our, and some more garlic, and a little more oregano on here, so this side gets some. There we go. And for those of you that have never seen how I do these, I have some lids that you use for grilling. They look like this. And they just go, you cover everything with the lids like this. But first, before I do that, I'm going to get some implements here so I can kind of keep things moving. And the way I do these is with these lids, everybody. And you can get them for the outside grill, the inside grill, they're all pretty much the same. You can melt cheese with it on your burgers. But what these do is it helps to keep the heat in, and it steams things really, really nice. So you just get it right on there, just like that. Just like that, pretty much all on there. There we go. And this is going to steam our veggies under there, and then I'm going to add in about, a good 5 minutes, I'll add our cabbage to the top. In the meantime, we have these going here. Let's take a look and see if they got scored on the other side. Oh yeah, we'll do the same thing here. Just flip them over.
This is actually the Breville Sear and Press. Someone asked.
Oh, the Breville Sear and Press, correct. Go, Google it or go to Amazon and you'll find it there. Okay, everybody? So now I'm going to turn the temperature down a bit on our chops here because they are cooked. And what I'm going to do at this point is just put the lid on them just like I did to those and leave it, and they will stay nice and moist and they're ready to go. Okay, so there we have it.
Well, somebody's saying that this recipe looks nice, but they're a full vegetarian.
Okay, so if you're a full vegetarian, over on this side, veggies, okay? All veggies. All veggies. Put potatoes with it if you like. And then you get a full vegetarian meal. I'm going to add a little more now that I've got this off. A little more olive oil right here.
Because I don't know if you've ever had it, but Pete made something called cabbage planks, where he cut up cabbage. Tell them.
Okay, so you might want to go to our page, our channel page. It says Heal, Eat, and Teach, and look for the playlist. And find the one where I make the planks of cabbage. I grill cabbage planks, and they're just delightful with onions and with peppers and everything. But the planks are about this big because I cut them from the cabbage, and they're about that thick. And you just cook them till it's nice and tender, and with the lids on top, everybody. So there we have it. Thank you all for stopping by. We appreciate it. Go to our channel, Heal, Eat, Teach, Carpizzo's Kitchen on YouTube. And there you will find our extensive library, and if you can, subscribe to our channel. So we thank you all very much. Look for the follow-up to this video where I played everything. Thanks for coming to our live today. This is Pete, out.
Give us a like, a share, and at some point there's going to be a hype on this YouTube. Thank you all for listening.